talking to you today about the Edge brand 496 model. Beautiful knife. All right, this is a German blade from the Edge brand company, which is in New York, but they contracted for the German steel to come and they branded it with Edge brand on there. It was cleaned off, but as you can see, these come with a nickel or chrome plating on it. But when I got this guy, it was so rusted that most of that plating was off of there, and the stuff that was on there had oxidation underneath. So as I was cleaning it, it came off. But there are a couple little spots where you can see it's just a different blend, and that's where the plating is still on there because it adheres so well to the carbon steel. But underneath is the carbon steel, which still takes a beautiful shine. But that nickel and chrome plating, that in the catalogs, that just gave it that little shine that helped sell it. You'll also notice the blade, right? It's a nice sweeping blade, and that's meant because it's a Skinner. This is the original Buffalo Skinner, and it's meant to give more surface area in the Wild West look, but more surface area for skinning out in the range, right? Out as you're doing work. And you'll also notice the stag, right? The handle. So these were handmade, and honestly, it's one of a kind because there's no two identical stag handles. So the idea is to find one that's what you fit, right? What feels great. And this one's got a little bit of a bow on the handle, which fits perfectly in the palm for a right-handed person. But yeah, it's one of a kind because of that. And then it's hard to see it, but it is the model 496. You can see it at the bottom there, right above the brass. Real hard to tell. When I got it, you couldn't see it at all. It was a guess, right? This was the mystery knife that we were working on, and it was a guess. And as we cleaned it and got it down, we can tell it's 496, which also we could tell because it says the original Buffalo Skinner, which that was the model. So it's a beautiful knife, reconditioned so much better than when I got it. But yeah, thought you'd like a little bit about the 496.